You have a welder, almost anything's possible. It's just so diverse. Like, you can go underwater weld, you can go weld pipe, you can go have a fabrication shop and build stuff.
Northeastern Junior College Welding Program offers 6 certificate options, one for each of the major welding processes, so shielded metal arc, gas tungsten arc, flux core, and then there's industrial maintenance, and then an oxyacetylene certificate. This is a practice profession, so the best way for them to learn is just to do it. Just to get out there, hands-on, weld.
I tried the nursing for CNA. I passed the CNA, I went to try it out, I didn't like it. It was not for me, but when I come to welding, it's relaxing and easy.
My first year, we started from like basics, like how to like start your machines, what amperage. Then we start basic training with cutting. Then we go stick welding, then MIG, then TIG.
So we just got in a plasma CNC cutter. It's a 4x4 table. We are, in the process of changing some of the structure of the cutting class so that we can make sure that we're offering the understanding of how to operate the CNC. Welder placement would be 100%. If the person wants to go get a job as a welder, they can go get a job as a welder.
I picked Northeastern because I've had so many friends that came up here and told me how great it is, and I love the environment, and I was like, okay, this is where I want to be.